Good morning. My name is Tushar. Can I know your name, please?
Ma'am, my name is Ishu Koteja.
What shall I call you?
You can call me at my name Ishu.
Can I have your identification?
Yes, ma'am, here it is.
Thank you. It's for the security reasons that we need. Let's start speaking section 1. Tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Ishu Koteja and I am basically from Panipat, Haryana. I have done my schooling from MSD Public School in Panipat. After then, I have recently completed my graduation from Chitkara University in Rajpura, Punjab. I have done in Bachelor in Interior Design, a 4-year course which conveys us about the interior aesthetics and how to manage the space. And there are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother, my younger brother, and my elder sister. My younger brother is engaged in a mobile shop, and he is the owner of mobile shop. And my sister is doing her job in ICIC head branch, New Delhi, Sarita Vihar. And
Okay. Let's talk something about weather. Describe me the weather of your country.
uh, there are basically 4 seasons in my country, like summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Summer is basically time from June to October, and from October to March there is winter, and between summer and winter there is spring and autumn season.
Right. Which weather do you like the most?
I like the winter weather the most because I think winter is more suitable to me as compared to any other weather, because I can go to various places in winter, like in the west of my country.
Okay, let's talk about leisure time activity. How do people in your area spend their free time?
People in my area usually go to the malls and usually go for the shopping, and they also go to the like restaurants and street food markets sometimes, because they are uh, they are getting some sort of satisfaction from that only. And because they are having hectic schedule in their daily life, so they are passing their time by this kind of things.
Which is your favorite pastime activity?
Uh, I usually play cricket because I was playing cricket in the past, and still days whenever I am having enough time to me, I usually go to play cricket with my friends. And cricket is basically a sport which requires 11 persons on one side and 11 on the other side. I think cricket is a good game.
What do children like to do in their free time?
Uh, Actually, children are basically out of the world, and they are enjoying their free time, sometimes playing in their homes, indoor games, and going outside as well for moving and roaming here and there.
Right. Thank you so much. That's the end of section 1. Now I'm going to give you a cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak about. You may make use of a pen and a paper if you wish to make notes. And here is your topic. Shift the pen here. This is the performance you enjoyed watching. What the performance was, when and where you watched, who was performing, and why you enjoyed. So you have 1 minute to prepare. Please start speaking.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this topic. Today I would like to talk about a singer performance which was held in the Apit College Panipat, and Mankira Tolak, one of the reputed singer in Punjab, and he was visiting there at that time, and there was great hustle and bustle of people around the college campus that most of the people are buying the tickets in black as well. They were going black market at that time. No? So people from Punjab, people from cities of Punjab and from Delhi um, visit there because he is a reputed singer, and he's getting number of like million of views on the YouTube on like whenever he's releasing a song, and tickets were basically provided to the people who are from the rich societies, and firstly they are provided it to the rich societies, and then most of the people who were localites, and these tickets were also provided to them, and I enjoyed the performance very much because I was going to the first time to such kind of concert in some college, and people I look at the people, and they are roaming and here and there. They mumbled and jumbled at that time, and they usually give tickets to the people, tickets to the high class society, and most of the people were find themselves very enough satisfactory from that performance, and I think I have enjoyed the performance the most because I am having a regular hectic schedule, so I am not having enough time to enjoy
Thank you so
this.
much. That's the end of section 2. I'm going to ask you a few more questions related to same. Do you think traditional performances are important?
Yes, I do think that traditional performance are important because of traditional performance, one can learn anything, and because of traditional performance, a singer shows his like mindset that how the society should work, how the community should work.
Right. What do you think is the difference between watching a live performance and watching it on TV?
Watching the live performance is basically completely different from watching it on television. On television, we are not like spending anything, and if we are watching it live, we have to spend some money, and at that same time, watching live can help us to attain number of things from others that. They should the other celebrity should be a role model.
Right. How do you think to watch a dance performance or a stage play influences children?
Can you please rephrase this question?
Yeah. How do you think that dance performances or stage play have an influence on children? Do you think it has some influence on children?
Yes, dance performance has uh, a large impact on the children because basically whenever a child is listening to a song, he just mumble and jumble there, and he don't know what he's going to do, but sometimes he sung the lyrics of the song as well.
Right. Thank you so much. That's the end of